All right. What you need to do is pick a new project, then head on to library and pick this blank footage that you want to use. So you can actually use any video you want to use, but I'm going to be using this blank video. Yes. So after getting the blank video, you add overlay and pick a PNG file or whatever you want to add to your video. Alright, so for me, I'm going to pick a PNG file. Just make sure you're following clearly so you get what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to pick this PNG file. Yeah, that's it up there. The Facebook logo. So after picking the Facebook logo, I'm going to add it to it. Then I'm going to adjust the Facebook logo to my preferred position. Then I'm going to add animation so that it can show how I want the Facebook logo to come in. So I can add my sound effect and make it look cinematic. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to adjust. Alright, so I'm going to add my sound effect. You can see the animation I used. So I'm going to add my sound effect. So I'm going to click the audio and then sound effects. Then I'm going to type in whoosh. That's WOOSH. So it just depends on how you feel like you want to use the sound effect. Just make sure you know the kind of sound you want to use so you can type it in words. So this is what I'm going to be using. So after using this, alright, you can hear the whoosh sound. Alright, so we are done with that. So now I'm going to pick the sound to add a background sound to it. So you can actually type in the search bar the kind of soundtrack you need. So I'm going to type in emotional, or you can type rap, any kind of sound effect you want to use. You can type in suspense. You can also type in emotional like I did earlier. So I'm going to pick emotional. Just make sure your data is on so that all these features can work. So I'm going to pick this emotional ambience. And boom, we're done. So your video can be exported. So you can actually use this on any kind of video, any type of video. See you in the next class.